You bought that. As Steve Jobs, the man himself, said, you don't buy a dog and then bark yourself. So either buy the company because you want them to get on with the job and they'll work out the problems. But this is where the over-opinionated retail client comes in. They buy a stock and think they know they can run the whole bloody world. Sorry, it's incredible. And if you want to know how over-opinionated retail clients are, just look at X, TikTok, Instagram. Everybody's got a freaking opinion. It's a lot more sensible. Keep your mouth shut and just look at the data and say, yeah, I'm all right. I'm not in Lamb Research at the moment. I'm going to show you something interesting. See that NVIDIA, which is up 43% in the last year. My Goldman Sachs holding is up 51%. It's up more than my NVIDIA holding. Now, what does that tell you? Well, it tells you that I would never have guessed that. A year ago, if you said to me, you put a gun to your head, you got to pick one stock over the other, NVIDIA or Goldman Sachs, I would have said, well, NVIDIA, obviously. But the reason I had both of those is because I don't know which one. That's why you have portfolios, not individual stocks. Newsletters like to sell you individual stocks and sexy stories and narratives. Okay, but in actual fact, what they should be saying to you is, let's look at a portfolio. That'd be respectable. That would be bloody sensible. Okay, they don't do that because newsletters are in the business of selling you subscriptions from journalists. What's your day job then? You who's telling people to do all these, I'm a journalist, I do this full time, journaling. Okay, does that really sound like something which is sensible? Of course not. Of course not. Now, for those who are on the webinar, on alphacapital.com/latest shares, as opposed to those on TikTok, I am going to send you a document on assessing market bubble risk in 2025 as well. It's a presentation that I've done. So if you're on alphacapital.com/latest shares, and those on TikTok can go on there as well, then I can send that file to you. I can't send files on TikTok. I don't think I can, that I'm aware of. No. Okay. So add new file. Oops. Hopefully that will work. Oh, no. Hopefully, oh no, here we go, funds, share. Okay, so that's there. Now, let's look at the markets over the past year. So you're up 27% on NASDAQ. Of course I look clever. That wasn't me who did it. I look clever because we had a tailwind and I knew not to panic or get bored. Now, when I exited belatedly in, I think it was around March time, and got back in around May time, I ended up